Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be comparing a gluten-free muffin mix to a normal muffin mix, and both of these are going to be blueberries. The difference is the Bob's Red Mill is just a generic muffin mix. You can add in any fruits that you want, or like chocolate. You can make your own muffins, and this one is a set wild blueberry. However, the recipes are almost the same. The Bob's Red Mill just requiring milk, and the non-gluten-free requiring water. So I'm going to bake these, and I'm going to do a taste test to tell you if it's different and if I'd recommend using a gluten-free muffin mix, or just or if I don't think it's worth it and you should just make one on your own. All right, the top ones are the gluten-free muffins and the bottom ones are the regular muffins. The bottom ones usually go in for an 18 to 22 minute time span, and the top ones normally go in for a 22 to 25 minute time span. And I'm sorry I forgot to mention it earlier, but it is a 400-degree temperature on the oven for both of them, so that's why I'm cooking them in the same tray. And I'll put them in the oven, and I will show you them once they're taken out. This is how they came out looking. I'm going to taste test them now, and I will tell you which ones are better. All right, and after taste testing both, the plain normal muffins, I have to give some credit to the fresh blueberries and the gluten-free ones because those taste much better. And these did come with a pack that was sitting, and that could have contributed to the flavor being worse. However, the other one just tastes much better. The blueberries taste fresher, and there's a night and day difference. So I would say this is mostly swayed by the blueberries, but I would definitely say it is more than a fine muffin mix if you need a gluten-free replacement, and I would recommend this mix as it was only like $2 more, and I feel like that's not a bad price to pay for the gluten-free and tasting much better than the normal one. And you do have to factor in that you buy your own blueberries, but I feel like it's much better for the price.